Welcome to Economic Interpretation. Today we are going to discuss 16 June 2021 current affairs. And today our first question: which country became the world's first marks-free country from June 15, 2021? Correct answer: Israel. So Israel became the first marks-free country from June 15, 2021, and this was announced by Israel Health Minister Julie Edelstein, and health minister of the Israel announced it become first marks-free country. And the rule of applying marks outside has already abolished in this country, and in June 15 now, the rule of applying marks in closed place will also end. But there is some restriction from international traveling, and also some rules for quarantine those who are travel international. And for some information about Israel new prime minister Naphtali Bennett, he appointed as new PM of Israel, and Israel capital Jerusalem, and Israel currency Israel shekel. Now go to our next question. Who won French Open 2021 Women's Single Final? Correct answer: Barbara Krejcikova. Barbara Krejcikova won French Open 2021 Women's Single Final, and also last year we discussed Novak Djokovic, who won French Open 2021 men's single. It is held in Stade Ronald Garros in Paris. The French Open is an international tennis tournament, also called Ronald Garros. We call this tournament also by Ronald Garros. And she defeating Anastasia Pavlyuchenkova and won 2021 women's single. Also, she became the first woman in 40 years to conquer Ronald Garros. So, after 40 years, she conquered Ronald Garros. Now, go to our next question. Which company recently launched ML Summer School? The correct answer: Amazon India. Amazon India recently launched ML Summer School with collaborate with some institution in India. Main motto of launching this program is to learn the fundamental things of machine learning and link them with practical application in industry. So that's why the program launch, and the program is open for engineering student, pre-final year and bachelors and masters and PhD students also. Rajiv Rastogi, the VP of Indian Machine Learning at Amazon, and designated CEO is Andy Jassy, and now the CEO is Jeff Bezos of Amazon. Now go to our next question. Which day celebrated as Global Wind Day? Answer is 15 June. We observe 15 June as Global Wind Day. First, this day celebrated in 2017 as named Wind Day, but later 2019, EWEA and GWEC partnership and named it World Wind Day or Global Wind Day. And main motto of celebrating this day to promote wind energy, as wind energy is one of the cleanest and environment friendly and cost competitive energy of source. So by this program, the whole world just encourage every industry to use more and more of wind energy. And the full form of EWEA, European Wind Energy Association, and GWEC, Global Wind Energy Council. Now go to our next question. What is the rank of India in Global Skill Index Report 2021? So India ranked 67th position in Global Skills Index Report 2021, and this report was published by Coursera. And rank one Switzerland. Switzerland ranked number one in this list, and next Luxembourg, and in rank three Austria. Austria. So Switzerland in first position, and Luxembourg second, and Austria third. And the index which is used for this survey is business, technology, and data science. And the report is based on performance data of 77 million learners. across 100 countries. So the service conduct in 100 countries. CEO of Coursera, Jeff McGion-Calda, and Coursera headquarter, California, USA. Now go to our next question. What is the rank of India in Global Giving Index Report 2021? So in Global Giving Index Report 2021, India's rank 14th. With the help of this Global Giving Index, we can understand how a country help other people, or that's mean how charitable they are. This report, published by Charity Aid Foundation (CAF), and in this report, most of the European country ranked in the first position, but due to Corona, the this year survey highlight the impact of lockdown on charitable giving, because due to lockdown, most of the countries changed their strategy of charitable giving. And according to the index, 61% of Indians help stranger, and 34% volunteer help, and 36% donate money. According to WGI 2021, India has consistently been working its way up. I mean, in this year there is a huge improvement, because in 2017 it ranked 124, and in 2018 it ranked 51, and 2019 it's ranked 19 respectively, and so now in this year it ranked 40, so it's a great improvement for India. Now go to our next question. Which bank recently launched Ghar Ghar Ration program? So the program is launched by IDFC First Bank. So IDFC First Bank launched Ghar Ghar Ration program, and it is an employee funded program. I mean, this fund is also generated by IDFC First Class Bank employee for its low income customers whose livelihoods are affected due to Corona. So those who are affected by Corona, IDFC First Bank's employee uh, help them with their personal income, those who need in those testing times. So the CEO of India's First Bank, V. Vidyanathan, CEO of India First Bank, and its headquarters Mumbai. Now go to our next question. Which day celebrated as World Blood Donor Day? Now recently 14 June we celebrate World Blood Donor Day, and the theme 2021 World Blood Donor Day is Give Blood and Keep the World Beating. Now there is so many myths which actually surrounding by us related to blood donation, but those are not correct. So that's why to cheer up blood donor more and more, and this day is celebrate. And World Blood Donor Day is an initiative by the World Health Organization. So this program is organized by WHO, and the aim of this day is to spread awareness about blood donation and the need to be safe blood and blood products. And every year different countries host blood donor day, and this year it's hosted by Rome, Italy. So Rome, Italy in 2021 host blood donor day. Go to our next question. which actor which actor appointed as a brand ambassador of the MyLab Discovery Solutions? So MyLab Discovery Solution recently appointed Akshay Kumar as their brand ambassador. And MyLab Discovery Solution first made country's first COVID-19 self kit, which is named Coviself. So Coviself is India first self test kit, and the partnership with Akshay is aimed at creating awareness for MyLab product and kits such as Coviself, and also share the educational content and according to the firm. And MyLab Discovery Solutions headquarters located at Pune. Now go to our next question. So which space agency announced a mission to Venus 2030? The correct answer, European Space Agency. ESA recently announced a mission in 2030 to Venus, and ESA said the name of the mission Envision, and ESA said Envision would have numerous numerous instruments including a sounder and the main motto of this mission to understand the surface and the atmosphere of Venus. The headquarters of the ESA in Paris, France, and it founded 13th May 1975 in Europe. And the CEO of ESA, Johann Dietrich Horner. So the CEO of ESA, Johann Dietrich Horner, he appointed 1st July 2015. Now go to our next question. Who has been appointed as the head of the United Nations trade body? The correct answer, Rebecca Greenspan. Rebecca Greenspan appointed as the United Nations trade body Secretary General in United Nations trade body, and he nominated by UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres, and this was approved by UN General Assembly on June 11. Also, Rebecca Greenspan, the first woman and from Central America who appointed as UNCTAD's Secretary General. The headquarters of the UN's CTADs is Geneva, Switzerland, and it formed formation 13 December 1964, and it's 56 years ago. Now go to our next question. Choguel Kokala Maigra has been appointed as the Prime Minister of which country? So the answer is Mali. Now on 24th May, the President Baenda and ex-Prime Minister Mokhtar Queen were detained by coup leader and Vice President Azmi Goita, who announced he had taken power and dismissed the executive. The capital of Mali, Bamako, and the currency used in Mali, West African CFA francs, and the population 1.97 crore 2019, according to the World Bank data, and official language used French in Mali. Now go to our next question. In which country the 8th International Nitrogen Initiative Conference held? Now the answer is Germany. In Germany, 8th International Nitrogen Initiative Conference held, and actually this is postponed due to Corona lockdown. Also, in 2019 it may be held, but after that it postponed. The 8th International Nitrogen Initiative Conference was scheduled to convince in Berlin. It's held in Germany's capital Berlin from 3 to 7 May 2020, but due to the pandemic it was cancelled the last year and held recently, and it's also happening virtually. It's a it's an international program set up in 2003 under sponsorship of the Scientific Committee on Problem of Environment and from the international program. And the main motto of this committee is to optimize nitrogen's beneficial role in sustainable food program and in minimizing nitrogen negative effect on human health and environment resulting from food and energy production. So in this summit, it's also discussed how we effectively use nitrogen in our different sectors. And the capital of the Germany, Berlin, currency used in Germany, euro, and the Chancellor of Germany, Angela Merkel, and he is the world's now most powerful lady, and the population of Germany 8.3 crore according to 2019 Eurostat. Now go to our next question. Recently, Lovlina Borgohain became the first woman from which state to qualify the Olympics. So Lovlina Borgohain from Assam, he is a boxer. He's for qualify for boxing champion, and he qualify for Tokyo Olympic and become the first female athlete from the state to qualify for the coveted games. Some information about Tokyo Olympic. The date Friday 23rd July 2001 to Sunday 8th August, and the location is Tokyo. It's most important, and there is 339 in 30 sports and 50 discipline, 50 different play. And the motto in 2021 Olympic, united by emotion, and and 11,091 participate expected to be joined in this Tokyo Olympic 2021, and 205 nation expected to join in this nation. This data may be changed because the process is still going. Now go to our next question. Which state government has approved the requirement of the transgender in police? So Odisha government started to appointment transgender in their police service. So Odisha police will require people from the transgender committee now, as it sought application from the post of constable and sub inspector in these two different sector. The transgender appointed in Odisha. Now the government of Odisha, Ganeshilal, and the capital of Odisha, Bhubaneswar, population 4.37 crore according to 2014 data, and the Chief Minister of Odisha, Naveen Patnaik. Now go to our next question. Mythological theme park is going to be set up in which UT? In Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory, the historical mythological theme park is going to be set up, and the main aim to set up this park is to increase the traveling in Jammu and Kashmir, and it is going to set up in Resi district. Jammu and Kashmir administrator plan India's best mythological theme park near Vaishnav Devi shrine, and it is near Vaishnav Devi Mandir, and the state of the art park is aimed to increase and this the economic activity and generating direct and indirect local employment beside improving the overall experience of the tourists and citizens in the union territory. Now next question, which state has topped anemia mukt bharat index 2021? Now Madhya Pradesh in number one in the list of Anemia Mukt Bharat Index 2021, and Madhya Pradesh score 64.1 in this index, and Odisha scored 59.3, and Odisha got the second position in this index. And anemia is the one of the major health problem in India today. Almost 50% of the pregnant women and 59% of children suffer from anemia nowadays. Now that's for today. You can go to our Telegram link and join our group and collect the PDF of these notes. Thank you.